Two very important questions that you need to write down and ask yourself. You need to write these down and ask yourself. The first one is, how am I contributing to this ummah? How am I contributing to this ummah? What have I done to help not the entire ummah across the globe, but Mississauga, Oakville, Toronto, Oshawa, Ajax? What have I done to benefit this ummah here, the GTA? That's one question you need to ask yourself, and then become involved. Then go to the masjid, then go and meet the imams, then go and meet your leaders, then go and meet the MSAs. Go and speak to people and say, I want to do something. You're students in university, how can I help you? What can I do? I don't have much cash, but I have time on my hands. Can I help you with anything? Can I organize anything? Can I clean up your musalla after all the students are finished praying? Imagine the reward that you get. Imagine that reward. The next question I want to ask you, and it's sort of two questions put together. Ask yourself, does it matter how many people know me during my life? Or how many people will remember me when I'm gone? Does it matter how many people know me during my life? Or how many people will remember me once I'm gone? Because you can open up Facebook and type without looking and swipe with fingers, and you can use voice command to post your posts, and you might be the most eloquent individual. You might have 50,000, 100,000, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million followers. MashaAllah, congratulations. Once you die, how many people will be at your janazah? When you're moving from one house to the other, how many people will come and help you move? When you're sick and in the hospital, how many people will come and visit you in the hospital? You go online and you post, I'm in the hospital, I'm sick, and you have 6 million followers on Facebook who are following all your posts and your tweets and your Instagrams. And you post a picture of yourself laying in a hospital bed, and they say, may Allah grant you health. Do they mean it? Do they really mean it? When someone says, may Allah grant you health, are they getting up out of their seat and coming to see you and actually giving you a glass of water to drink? Are they coming and visiting you in your hospital room? Are they going to spend time with you during the time when you pass away and your janazah is going to be prayed? Are those 6 million people going to fly in to come and pray your janazah? Ask yourself, does it matter how many people know me now? Or how many people will remember me once I'm gone?